Now introducing the NVX Premium Sound Damping Kits. These sound damping sheets are 2.3 millimeters thick. That's about 30% thicker than other well-known manufacturers. The black sound damping kits provide a stealth look for your vehicle. With these kits, we offer sizes ranging from just 2 square feet up to 40 square feet with a number of different sizes in between. In this demonstration, we are showing the difference our sound damping makes on this sheet of aluminum. As you can hear, once the sound deadening material is applied, the number of rattles is greatly reduced. All NVX sound damping kits have multiple layers, including a butyl rubber top layer, an aluminum layer for rigidity, and an adhesive backing for a quick and easy install. They are also all packaged with a protective sheet to preserve the adhesive layer. The purpose of this material is designed to keep road noise out while reducing unwanted vibrations and rattles in your car, truck, or SUV. Have you ever been inside a luxury car with little to no road noise or rattles? Our sound damping material was created to help you achieve those same results in any vehicle. These sheets are also great for improving the overall sound quality of your sound system by increasing the sound pressure level. These kits can be installed in a number of different locations in your vehicle, including the hood, firewall, interior floor, trunk, roof, and car doors. Installing this product takes 3 easy steps. First, you have to clean the surface area with a degreaser to ensure proper adhesion. Next, cut the mat to match the size and the shape of the surface area. Then, place the cut sheet on the desired surface in your vehicle and press it down firmly. Finally, use a roller to roll out any dimples or air bubbles on the surface. Start noticing the difference NVX Premium Sound Damping Kits can make for your vehicle today.